Welcome to the daily levels for Tuesday, May 7. It's 8:55 a.m. Market opens in 35 minutes. So I want to explain some of the levels that we have on the board today. You can see them. Some are dashed. Just to point out that the vertical line on the left is where the market closed yesterday. So everything to the right of this will be today's activity. And to explain some of these levels, let's just go into a little bit longer time frame. Here's a 10-minute chart, and we'll just get a bigger picture of this. So this level here at 512.85 was an important level that the spiders gapped over and have continued higher yesterday. Now this next level up 516.75 is from the same data that this 512.85 came from, and they currently are above this. So they could open, very likely they would open above this, no guarantees at this point, and gap above this and continue higher. But each of these areas is important in their own right, but because this area is dashed, it's a zone. I know it's kind of a large zone. And the same thing, it creates a zone down here for various reasons. And I just want to point out that, and below here, by the way, 512.50 or so is also pretty important for a different reason. So, and maybe I'll just go ahead and explain that the 515.30 was a level from yesterday that wasn't respected or didn't behave correctly, quote unquote, or at least didn't behave the way we like to see them react when the levels, when the spiders hit these levels. So there's a good chance that there will be a reaction if they came back down there at that point too. Some interesting calculations went into these levels, but they're all important, and I have faith in trusting them for trades if and when the spiders get to them. But keep in mind here, when you have these dashed lines, at least in the way I like to look at these is, if price gets up to here, I'm not just going to bet everything on this one level. I would expect and not be surprised if they went into this zone before they pulled back. And it could be a longer pullback too, by the way. But that's just some general analysis that could help anyone today who might want to try these levels for trades. So we'll just jump back to this chart after the market closes so we can analyze all the trades taken in the E-minis based off of these levels in the spiders. See you then.